Welcome to the program Learn Tree with Opoku. In the previous episode, we learned that when we say aseniye, that is what? A court. Otemuafo means a judge. Diodinadakam means what? The accused. Or we can also say dienhuakwakedwamu also means what? The accused. And then the victim, we said dienhuaka or dienhuakwakam. This is where we ended. Today we are continuing from there. Good. When you go to court, once there is an accused person and a victim, then by all means there should be a prosecutor, isn't it? Yeah. The prosecutor in Twi is known as what? Kwadubofo. That is what? The prosecutor. Kwadu means what? Charge. So Kwadubofo simply means the one who files charges. Okay? Kwadubofo. The one who files charges against the accused. So the prosecutor files charges against the accused person. Kwadubofo body ojina adakamu no kwadu. Kwadubofo body ojina adakamu no kwadu. The prosecutor prosecutes the accused. The prosecutor prosecutes the accused. Kwadubofo body ojina adakamu no kwadu. Well, an accused person is charged based on what? Evidence. Good. Evidence in Twi is known as what? Adansie. And that is what? Evidence. Adansie. Well, if we have evidence, then there should be somehow a witness who witnessed to the case. Isn't it? A witness is known as what? Odansefo. That is for one person. Odansefo. If there are many, then we say Adansefo. Witnesses. Adansefo. Odansefo, a witness. Adansefo, witnesses. The accused is then charged with what? The law. Law in Twi is known as what? Mra. Some people will also say emra. They are the same. Mra or emra, they are the same. So we charge the accused with what? Emra. That is why sometimes you hear Yademrano Abono or Yademrano Edino. He has been charged with the law. Yademrana Abono or Yademrana Edino. He has been charged with the law. And intansa could also mean what? The accusations. So Yadentansa Bono, that means he has been charged with what? The accusations. Yadentansa Bono or Yademrana Bono. He has been charged with the law. Well, an accused person, once charged with the law, or once he or she gets a case, by all means, you will need somebody who will what? Speak on his or her behalf. And that is what? A lawyer. How do we say a lawyer in Twi? A lawyer is known as what? Mranimfo. Mranimfo, the one who knows the law, or those who know the law. Mranimfo. Sometimes you also refer to a lawyer as what? Otwitwajefo, which somehow means a rescuer. Twitwa means what? To cut. Je means what? Save. For, we use it for a group of people or for a person. Good. Otwitwajefo can also be used for what? A lawyer. So we have mranimfo and otwitwajefo for a lawyer. Good. Now let's come back to the prosecutor. The prosecutor prosecutes, isn't it? Good. And during prosecution, what does he do? He interrogates the accused. He interrogates the accused. Interrogation in Twi means what? Anototo. Ano is what? The mouth or the lips. The mouth. Ano. Toto. Toto has several meanings, but in this context, it means what? To swerve. On a football field, when a player is dribbling someone, in Twi we can say ototono, meaning he swerves him to this side and then to the other side, trying to what? Cause him to fall. And that is what we call anototo, meaning the prosecutor will ask a question, intelligent question, turning you to one side and then to another side in order to what? Get you in the net. So we say ototoano. He's trying to dribble your mouth. Yes, and because of his activity, I'm talking about the prosecutor, and that is what? Kwadubofo. Because of what he does, he also referred to as what? Anototofo, the dribbler of the mouth, or the swerver of the mouth. Anototofo, the one who swerves the mouth to various angles or various directions. Anototofo. He interrogates. Ototo ano. Good. So that is for what? Interrogation. Anototo. That is what? Interrogation. Good. In the courtroom, we have people, apart from the judge, the prosecutor, a lawyer, the witness. We also have those people that are there to listen to what is going on. They are also known as what? A tiefo, or the listeners. A tiefo, the listeners. Those who are listening to the case. Well, in some jurisdictions, we also have what? The jury. And when we talk of the jury, they are also a group of people aside the judge who sits on the bench and listens to the issues or listens to the proceedings, and then they help the judge to pass out what? Verdict. In Twi, the jury can be known as Aseni Bedweku, and that is what? The jury. Aseni Bedweku. Well, that is all time will permit. But hey, do you also have an area of interest that you want us to learn the jargons that are involved in that area? Then drop that in the comment box and we will deal with that. By the way, thanks for being with me to this end, and as I always say, let this video go viral so that others also have the opportunity to learn the Twi language. And if you have not yet subscribed so that anytime I make new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Once again, thank you.